Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where recycle bin is corrupted in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, you might not be knowing, but you can reset the recycle bin. So there's a command line for this, and I'll share it in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator, and then hit enter. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The third solution is to delete files through disk cleanup. Now I'll show you first of all how this is done, then I'll explain more about it. Search for disk cleanup, open disk cleanup, click on OK. Now there is an option called recycle bin here. Check this option and click on OK and click on delete files, and it will delete files from recycle bin even without opening the recycle bin. And finally, because recycle bin is not working, then you can perform a system restore if it was working earlier. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next. Select a good restore point. Click on next and then click on finish and click on yes to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.